everybody, and today I'm pulling People New Forward at the Watkins Glen International Freeway. For it was a freeway today, there was a couple accidents, but no big accidents, but it was pretty much freeway. So I'm gonna go right in the final lap of the race, so you guys can see who was away today. So here is the final lap of the race.
Meanwhile, one lap to go, the white flag is out, and it looks like Brad Keselowski is going to tie Sam Hart with his fourth win. Sam Hornish going way wide. He is solidly in second place.
All clear, man. You're doing fine.
What an impressive streak by the Sprint Cup champion, the former nationwide champion. Driver behind that wheel of the 22. How about the rest of these guys in the nationwide championship doing the job they needed to do with Hornish, Vickers, Regan Smith, Elliott Sadler all right there inside the top five, taking advantage of Austin Dillon's struggles. And everybody has tightened up on the championship lead. We'll update it once we get everybody across the line. But right now, all eyes focused on Brad Keselowski. As you see, he can just keep it on track, and there's the gap back to second place, Sam Hornish. One more corner to go. Through turn number 7, it will be his 24th win in his 199th nationwide race and 4th in the row. Checkered flag to Brad Keselowski. Oh, with Nelson.
Hurt so good, man. Hurt so good. Nice job.
Qualified for this area, Brad Keselowski was away today. Nice work, Brad. Alright, so now we're going to be trying with a top 5 of disappointed after today's race. Also today is a point leader. Tempo is 0 second. Regan Smith is 0. Elliott Sadler is 4. And Watkins Glen is 6. And how many points he has behind the Alpha Father? So you can read it out there. But all I'm going to verify right now is the first 5 is points are always separated by each key point. So I'm really close racing this right now. So I can do a lot more races to go, so you don't know what might happen. Alright, so that will be People New Forward. So now next week is going to be at a new race record for Nationwide. So it's the first time a Nationwide is going to be racing here. So next week is going to be at Mid-Ohio. And a World Cup race, another World Cup race. And a freeway forward here at 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the race is going to start at about 2:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's going to be ESPN. Alright, so I will talk to you guys in my next week Nationwide video. Bye everybody.